Click Settings. Instrument Settings. 0 Calibration. Release Motor. Move the magnetic rod and magnetic rod sleeve to the third column of the deep well plate. Press them firmly into place. Click 0 Calibration. Click Save. Click Return to Well. Enter 0.7 in the correction value input field on the magnetic rod motor page. Click the up arrow. Complete the magnetic rod motor calibration. Enter 0.5 in the correction value field to the right of the magnetic rod sleeve motor. Click the up arrow. Click the save icon. Click Return to 0. Complete the calibration.